How to use the reset button on your Hisense TV.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an important feature on your Hisense TV, the reset button. This is a quick, simple process but can sometimes cause confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what pressing the reset button does and how it can be beneficial. Remember, resetting your TV can solve many common problems, but it will also erase all your personalized settings.
What is the reset button?
The reset button on your Hisense TV is a feature that allows you to restore your TV to its factory default settings. This means it erases all personalized settings, including the account details, apps, configurations, and even data stored on the TV. The reset button is typically used when you are experiencing significant technical difficulties with your TV that normal troubleshooting steps cannot resolve.
When should I use the reset button?
Using the reset button is generally considered a last resort. It's best to use it when you're experiencing consistent, unresolved issues with your TV's performance. These issues might include persistent freezing or buffering, failure to connect to Wi-Fi, apps failing to load or crashing regularly, general performance issues that persist despite trying other solutions.
How do I use the reset button?
To use the reset button on your Hisense TV, you typically follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the settings menu on your Hisense TV. 2. Scroll down and select System. 3. From the System menu, select Reset and Admin. 4. Finally, select Reset TV to factory defaults. Remember, this process will erase all the data and settings on your TV, so you should only do it if you're prepared to set up your TV again from scratch. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the function of the reset button on your Hisense TV. It's a powerful tool for resolving various technical issues, but it's important to use it carefully due to its potential to erase all your personalized settings and data. Always try other troubleshooting options before resorting to the reset button. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing!